So I studied architecture, and during my studies I read a lot of artist manifestos. But it took me years until I rediscovered some of those manifestos during the research for another project. So out of these hundreds of manifestos I read, I selected about 55, which then led to 12 text collages. I like to use the metaphor of me being a quiet and invisible testimony on a late night discussion among friends, where they would throw arguments across the table, not necessarily agreeing all the time with each other, but liking each other, sympathizing with each other. Each scene has a lot of contradiction, but at least they have different views on the same idea. The general risk that the project is taking, and that it, for once, as I like to say, wipes away the dust of art history and all the contextualization and various interpretations that art history gave to this original text, and just focuses on the pure language. I think I'm a translator here. I'm just following my own pleasure in rereading these manifestos. I'm translating the pleasure into something that is hopefully pleasure for others. And I think this is hopefully a contribution by individual artists to engage with society today and to have this out there as a call for action in a way. But again, not my call for action, but the call for action of all these wonderful authors.